8:26 in the morning on Sunday, April 23rd. The javalinas are being fed.
Come on, Mama. Bring the little one. This is not little anymore. Come on, Mama.
Morning.
Morning. Come on,
Feeding
Mama.
time.
Yeah. We got babies here in the morning.
Are those the same ones, 3 week olds?
Huh?
Are they the 3-week-old babies?
No,
Oh, they're small.
These are close to 2 weeks.
They're small.
Uh-huh.
Good morning.
This one here, in the middle here, was born December 20th. It's going fast. There you go.
Guess it's rained a lot here.
Huh?
It's rained a lot because I see a lot of water.
It's only 3/4 inch across the arroyo here.
Oh,
Come on, little one. We got a brand new baby down there at the other spot, but Mama didn't bring him in. It in. Come on, guys. Here, you want to see him eat from the cup?
are they that tame?
Huh?
Are they that tame?
What's this? Come here, Tippy. Come on, come on. Come on, come on. Come on, come on.
They're really hungry.
He's usually a little more gentle.
Yeah. He knew he had the audience, and she did, whatever it was.
She comes up every day here and does that. Hey, y'all settle down out there.
Cameron County, Felicity County.
See how they play?
Yeah.
Oh, they fight and play. You
Oh,
ought
I
to
see them.
triplets.
Yeah, I see them way there.
Right here, right here.
I see it. The
Come
one that's
over here and
laying
you
down.
see
Oh, I don't see that one. Okay.
Now
I was seeing the one over there.
they play like little puppies and kittens. Fun to watch. Oh, I'm coming. You waiting on me? Yeah. Come on.
You got a grackle right there.
This one's very much stuck down on the stand right now. Alright. I'm not worried about this. Okay. Here we go. He down the spot. He got a camera on. Look here. He got a camera on.
Yes. I would have done like a time lapse in the birds.
Well, we had all kinds of birds down there at the other place. Orioles and woodpeckers and doves and chachalapas. They like that peanut butter. Everything but the doves and the hummingbirds eat the peanut butter.
Oh, the hummingbirds don't eat the peanut butter? It's be too salty, would it?
Huh?
Would be too salty?
I've never seen a hummingbird eat
No.
peanut butter.
No, they don't eat peanut butter and the doves don't seem to.
Green jays do, the chacalacas.
Everything but doves and hummingbirds.
Oh, okay. Everybody else.
Everybody else but those two.
I test it myself to make sure it's okay.
Right. It's got the seal of approval.
That's funny, it. Yep, FDA approved.
I was talking to one of the girls that comes in here and waters. And I was talking to her and showing her some pictures I'd taken. Now, I said, excuse me for the peanut butter breath, because I'd been eating peanut butter. She said, oh, that smells so good. We're going to have to go eat.
Gonna go to H-E-B and buy some peanut butter.
Well, this is all Walmart stuff, isn't it?
It's about the same.
It's got less sugar in it and
Oh,
salt.
just okay.
Regular Peter Pan and Jiffy makes me sick to my stomach.
Oh. The brand name.
Who knows what difference there is? You gotta read every freaking label if you got some doctors
Yeah.
warning about whatever.
Yeah, exactly.
You know?
What is that little baby one eating? Got something in them.
Banana, maybe?
No, I don't know. It's got. Looks like meat. Is that a rotten banana? Okay. Oh, okay.
Oh, honey, you just chased them off.
Sorry.
They don't like that noise.
Well, I'm sure they don't. They'll be back though.
Yeah.
I wasn't paying attention.
Come on. He's okay. He's okay. Come on. One of them will eat peanut butter off my knife, but I don't know which one.
Oh.
That one was born December 20th right there.
The little one right there?
Yeah. I got a picture of him with an umbilical cord still on him, less than 12 hours old.
Wow. A little one. They're still small.
And this one was born in January.
There was a newborn down at the other site this morning.
Yeah, day old.
Oh. Oh, go. That's the other trail down closer to the arroyo.
The Manning spot.
50 yards down there.
Okay. Have a nice day.
Y'all too.
Thank you. You can see the dove. Oh, there's plenty of doves right there I didn't see. Right here. Morning doves. Oh, white wings.